In this exercise number 8, student will have to use design center to complete the exercise. So first they need to understand what is design center. Now design center allows you to import drawing content from one drawing to another. So what are the content? For example, in your drawing you may have blocks, you may have dimension style, layers, layout, table style, text style, and many other things which require a repetitive use. So by using design center, you can create a master drawing in which you can have this standard content and you can import in every new drawing. So it will help you to save your time in making new drawing by importing this content. Now how can you access this? You can go to the view menu and just look at this small icon. This is design center, or you can press Ctrl 2 on keyboard, or simply you can type ADC on command prompt and enter. Now you have to create a blank drawing based on type of exercise you have given, whether it is inch or millimeter. Then open the source drawing, that is already prepared drawing from which we are going to import the standard content, that is layer, dimension style, layout, blank, and the title block if it is given. Then save the drawings and try to complete the exercise. So let's switch over. These are the two exercises that we are going to complete in experiment number 8 in AutoCAD using design center. So let's switch over to AutoCAD. Now I will go to create a new drawing. Here I will have to use imperial template. So here it shows acad.dwt, right? So I will click on it. Now this will open new drawings. So use UN command to verify that it is using the proper unit. So I will change here the insertion scale to the inch and the precision level to these 2 units, right? Now let's first save this drawing. So let me type exercise number 8 and save. Now let's import the standard content from other drawing. For that I have to open the drawing which is imperial drawing, right? Now here you can say I have 2 drawing, exercise number 8 which is just we have created, in which we have to complete the exercise number 8, and the source drawing is imperial workshop imperial drawing. Okay, now let's import the content. So I may type ADC like this and hit the enter. It will open here the design center, or you may simply go to view, then go to design center, okay, like this, or you may simply press Ctrl 2. That will also open the design center. Now here, because we already have 2 drawings open, it's showing in Explorer view, that is experiment number 8. So file experiment number 8 and the workshop imperial is open, right? Now first make sure that if you have to make the drawing, that drawing in which you want to import, make it current. So I am exactly on exercise number 8. Now from here go to the workshop, explore it. Now here let's go to dimension style. Okay, so I will select this and I will drag and drop to the active drawing which is exercise number 8 drawing. Okay, similarly I will click on layer and I will choose all of these and drag and drop to the active exercise number 8. So I'm importing everything one by one. So here I'm importing this layout and dragging and dropping. Okay, same way I'll go for other things whichever I require, right? You may have other things, so I will import these things as well. So let's verify whether it have or not, right? It is properly imported or not. So close the design center and let's check out the layers. Now it comes. Okay, also check, let's say the A4 imperial layout is also available. Now we can begin drawing the exercise. Now I have copied exercise from PowerPoint presentation to in this exercise number 8 drawing file. Now I can close this source drawing which is workshop imperial. Now let's try to complete this exercise. So I will go to the contour layers, then let's draw the circles. So here the inner circle is having 0.75 mm thickness. Okay. Now I will also draw another outer circle having radius 1. Now I will copy all of these from its location to the 6 and downward is 3, and the last right bottom corner is 6 comma minus 3. Okay. Now let's move this drawing little bit away so it won't disturb us. Now let's try to draw another remaining circles. So C space, shift right click from here, it is exactly 3 comma 1. If you look at the image, you are able to understand what does it mean. D space 0.75, this smaller circle, then the outer circle which has got radius 1. Okay. Now let's try to complete the lines. So from here, shift right click, quadrant point, and the length will be 6. Similarly, shift right click, quadrant point, from here length will be 6, or you can go up to the quadrant point as well, no problem. Shift right click, quadrant point, from here the center distance will be 3. Okay. I can mirror this line or simply draw new line, no problem. Whichever comfortable to you can use that command. Okay. Now let's complete this upper part. Let's make it trim. Remove this part, and this part. Okay. And this part as well. Now let's also complete the inner circle. Let's complete the rectangle from here to center. Okay. Now let's trim the unnecessary part. So this one, now save your drawing. I hope student it makes sense to you. Now let's mirror the upper circle part. MI for mirror. Select this part and choose the midpoint. Okay. Now let's trim this part. Okay, and this part. Now save your drawing. Now let's give the center lines. So here, like this. Okay. Similarly, you'll go here from here to here. Okay. Now I will copy these center lines with reference to center. So I don't have to draw again. And they will be identical to each other. So this is how you can draw the exercise, right? Now let's try to complete another exercise. Now let's try to complete second exercise. So here let's draw the circle, D space 2.75. Similarly, D space 2. Let's draw the circle, upper circle at a distance 2. And radius is 0.88. Similarly, in the same center, diameter is 0.75. Okay. Now let's draw the line. Shift right click tangent from L space. Shift right click tangent. Okay. From here to another circle. Okay. Now I can mirror this line instead of repeating the line command. Now let's trim the part, this one, and this one. Now let's mirror the upper part like this and take a center like this. Okay. Now let's try to draw the side view as given. So from here I will choose this point. So 0.88 its distance, and the height will be from this point, okay, up to this. Distance will be 0.88, and I'll go up to this tracking point. Similarly, I will start line here and I will reach to this point. Okay. Now let's try to draw the center circle part. For that, let's draw a center line having height 1.75. Okay, I will offset this O space. Now offset distance has to be half. Here the diameter is 2.75. So start the offset command and press Ctrl 8. That will invoke the calculator. 2.75 divided by 2. Okay, now press apply and enter. Now select this on one side and another side. Okay, similarly for this the distance is 1 because the diameter is 2 on both the side. Okay, now let's complete the outer part. Okay, now select this and drop to the hidden layer because it's going to be hidden. Now Ctrl S. Okay, now here let's try to complete the upper part. So choose hidden line. So from, let's say, from here to here. So let's trim and offset that part by diameter 0.75, that is 0.75. Okay, so here. Now let's draw the center line. For that, go to the center line and select the line command. This will be the center line. Now let's mirror the entire part, so we do not have to draw it again. Now let's remove this part. Now let's also add center line on a front view. Okay, from here it will be like this. It's not proper line, so let's zoom in. Now zoom out to the end point. Okay, here to here. Similarly for horizontal line like this, and for the side view like this. Okay, this is how we can create the drawing. Okay, now I will remove this additional image, and now let's go to the layout and let's try to set viewport. Okay, so type viewport and choose single and go zoom in and try to arrange the crosshair top part and left part like this, and try to draw inner border or title border, right? So here I will go here 1:1. Okay, so it is slightly, let's zoom in and coming out little bit. I'm just expanding the title block so that our figure fits at 1:1 scale. Okay, so look at carefully. Okay, now I haven't given any dimensions. Now save your drawing and press Ctrl P and choose these things. The DWG PDF as a plotter, then UNCA size in landscape positions, then what to plot is layout, and select preview. This is how you can plot the drawing, right? I'll exit over here. I can also set another drawing which is over here. Okay, at a scale of 1:1. Okay, now put it over here. I haven't given any dimension, you can give it, no issue, right? So press Ctrl P, choose what to plot area is layout, and preview it. Okay, now right click and I will say plot. Let's try to see how it looks like. So this is what your output. So I hope student you have understood how to plot the drawing.